Hello everyone, this is Biswajit Burman from gossipfunda. In this video, we only discuss how can we set our environment of ADB in three ways. The first is, let's go to web browser. Here we see that minimal ADB download, type it and scroll down. Here we can see that minimal ADB and fastboot. The website is forum.xda developer. This is the first which is very easy to install and set up our environment. So go down and here we can see that download option. Click over it, and after downloading you don't do anything for set up our environment, just install and start using that ADB minimal. SDK platform tools. Okay, SDK platform tools. Search this SDK platform tool. You have that first link here, that SDK platform tool that release the website is developerandroid.com. that is simply that Android Studio. Go to the link first. In scroll down, here we find that download option. Here we see that SDK platform tools for Windows, Mac and Linux. So after that, start downloading that SDK platform tool, and after start downloading you have a pop-up like this one, and scroll down we have check this that agreement and start downloading. Okay, after when you download that platform tool, the Android Studio platform tool, at the same time you have to download that Google USB drive. This is also a we can say Android Studio platform. Start downloading. Here we find, click here to download it. Again you have a pop-up, check this agreement and start downloading and save. Now for install, go to your download folder and first install this one, that platform tool. Let me increase the size. Here we have that platform tool, and then after that USB drive. Now we have a problem here, that not a problem, for that we have to set up an environment for run this platform like SDK. That Android Studio, that platform tool, we have to set up an environment. This is easy, we don't need to set any environment, just install and it start running. But in this platform tool we have to set an environment. First install it. For unzip, first unzip. We don't need to install these two, just unzip. You have to remember this path where you extract this file, that platform, and inside this you have to extract this one. Suppose you extract this one here. Okay, let me extract first. Okay, I extract this platform tool in download folder only. Okay, so for this USB drive you have to extract inside this folder. So how can we extract this file? Otherwise you can extract here and copy this copy the extract file inside this. So for save your time, just click extract file and go to download and go to platform tool, this one, select this one. Okay, and then okay, it extract inside this. Let's open the, yeah, you can see the USB drive platform. Okay, so this not work also, so copy this or move into this folder. Okay, open this, extract here, or extract inside this platform tool. We have two platform, two folder, one is this one, and after, okay, after that this one. So we have to extract inside this one, not the first one. Okay, so we have this, all this files. After extracting we get this all files. So after that you have to copy this link. If you extract any other folder, D or E or F, anywhere you can extract this file, but you have to remember the path. Go inside the folder and you have this adb.exe, that fastboot.exe. This two is the most important part, or not part, that most important software. So after that, copy this path, that C user Visu download platform and then platform tools. Copy this one. Okay, copy and minimize all these photos, and right click on my PC, go to property. After open this property, we have in the right side that advanced setting system. Open it, anything. Then we have that environment variable. Open the environment variable. We have this one more pop-up. Here we can see the system variable and also user variable. Okay, so here in system variable we search for path, like this one, the path. Go click on edit or double click on path. It's open a new window, create new and paste the copied link here, this one. Okay, and click OK, and then OK, and again OK. Now close this one and type here CMD and type ADB, enter this, and this is working. Now we can see that this command is working. Now you can set your environment of ADB cell. You can start working here only with the command prompt and also PowerShell. It's depend on you. And now the last one, not the last one. Go to search bar and type Android Studio. Download Android Studio SDK tools and everything. Download Android Studio from here. This is the free. The Android Studio is free for all. It don't need to pay any money for download or install or use. It is a completely free. After downloading, install it. Very easy to install. You can install by yourself. And after installing, open, and you have look this type of interface. If you are for first time, you have a option that create project or anything that open project. Some more function you find in the first window. After create open or create or open anything project, in top of this we find these tabs here. We go for tool tab and then we go for SDK management. It's pop up a new window. Here we go for that Android SDK, and in Android SDK we find a Android SDK tool. Here you can see, click over it and scroll down, not scroll down, go down to and check this USB drive, Google USB drive. It's by default it didn't check. We have to check this one. We can see that this is not installed, this also not installed. We have to install this one. When you check this one, you have to install, and after that go apply and click OK. After click OK, we again go to program file, C drive, and go to user and then your username, and here we go to view first. Check this one hidden item, because we have to find a item which is hidden, that app data. This one is hidden folder. Open this app data. Here go to local and go to Android and SDK. Here we find that platform tools, this one, the platform tools, and copy this one. We have to right click, property. Here we have that advanced setting in right side, advanced setting, environment variable, and then search for path in system variable. That is, here we have path. Double click and create new and paste the path which you copy in computer, like the path of this SDK file path here. Okay, after that click OK, then OK and OK, and then run the CMD here, CMD here.
Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.